Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills, y'all. Stelly Grills and Chills. And hey, while we here, we gonna rain on them. We gonna cook a lot of great food. So don't forget, give me that LSS, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, let's get it. So yeah, y'all, we doing taters today. We cutting them up at that number 3 setting. Straight into this water. Now we need to let these taters sit in this water for an hour before the cook. So let's go ahead and get to our griddle. And we're gonna spray this down with some canola oil. I want to spray it kind of thick because we frying these bad boys. They're gonna be something like potato chips, y'all. So let's go and get our taters on. So what we want to do here is spread them out evenly. Try to get taters are hitting the top of this griddle. And of course, you know we got rain on it. And with a little salt, some black pepper. Oh yeah, they looking good, y'all. And once that first side get done, let's give it a little flip. A little flippy flip. Get them spread it back out even. Then once everything gets done, I'm going ahead and throw me a piece of meat on it for dinner tonight. And hey, our taters are pretty much ready, y'all. So shoot, we go ahead and get these off. Now these taters came out delicious, y'all. Nice and crispy. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.